Imagine a mysterious visitor from another star system, hurtling through our own cosmic backyard. That's the thrilling reality of Interstellar Comet 3I/Atlas. But here's where it gets controversial. Could this icy wanderer hold clues to extraterrestrial life? Or is it just a frozen rock challenging our understanding of the universe? Stick around as we dive into NASA's unprecedented multi-angled observations of this celestial guest, uncovering insights that might just blow your mind. NASA is currently orchestrating an extraordinary, solar system-wide surveillance operation, directing its fleet of spacecraft and orbiting telescopes to track Comet 3I/Atlas, the third interstellar object known to have ventured into our solar system. Since its initial spotting on July 1st, a dozen NASA instruments have snapped and analyzed images of the comet, with more poised to capture additional footage as it zooms onward through our neighborhood of planets and asteroids. And this is the part most people miss. By peering at the comet from such diverse vantage points, scientists are gaining a treasure trove of data to compare it with comets born in our own system, offering a fresh perspective on how the building blocks of other star systems might stack up against ours. For beginners, think of it like comparing recipes from different kitchens. We're learning if alien chefs use similar ingredients or whip up something entirely unexpected. Let's start with the closest-up views, captured from Mars. Back in early fall, 3I/Atlas swung by the red planet at a mere 19 million miles away, where it was scrutinized by 3 NASA probes. The Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter (MRO) snagged some of the most intimate portraits, while the MAVEN orbiter, short for Mars Atmosphere and Volatile Evolution, recorded ultraviolet snapshots to reveal the comet's inner chemistry, like peering into its molecular makeup to see what gases and ices it's made of. Even the Perseverance rover on the Martian surface caught a blurry but valuable peek, reminding us that exploration isn't just for orbiters. Ground-based eyes can chime in too. This multi-probe approach for Mars is crucial because it lets scientists study the comet's behavior up close, potentially spotting differences in how it sheds its coma. That's the hazy cloud of gas and dust surrounding the nucleus, much like a comet's glowing halo, compared to our local ones. Shifting gears to the Sun's vicinity, NASA's heliophysics missions bring a unique edge, able to gaze into the blinding glow near our star where Earth-based telescopes can't follow. This enabled them to shadow 3I/Atlas as it dipped behind the Sun from our perspective, a maneuver that's impossible for ground observers due to the intense light. The Stereo Solar-Terrestrial Relations Observatory mission captured sequences from September 11 through October 2, while the joint ESA and NASA SOHO, Solar and Heliospheric Observatory, got in on the action on October 15 and 16. Even NASA's newer Punch, Polarimeter to unify the Corona and Heliosphere mission, launched this year, painted pictures of the comet's tail from September 20 to October 3. Intriguingly, although these sun-watching tools have spotted and cataloged thousands of comets before, this marks the first deliberate observation of an interstellar interloper by NASA's heliophysics fleet. It raises an eyebrow. Are we potentially underestimating how common these outsiders are? Or does this rarity hint at something more? Not to be outdone, NASA's asteroid-hunting explorers pitched in during their journeys. The Psyche spacecraft en route to study metallic asteroids, and the Lucy mission headed for Trojan asteroids near Jupiter, both seized opportunities to image 3I/Atlas. On September 8 and 9, Psyche gathered 4 snapshots over 8 hours from about 33 million miles out, helping refine the comet's path through space. Then on September 16, Lucy shot a series from 240 million miles away, allowing scientists to layer the images for sharper details on the comet's coma and tail. Think of it as stacking photos to enhance a blurry picture, revealing structures that might otherwise fade into the void. The Atlas telescope in Chile, funded by NASA, first spotted the comet on July 1, and soon after, NASA's iconic Hubble Space Telescope weighed in. By August, both the James Webb Space Telescope and SphereX, spectrophotometer for the history of the universe, Epoch of Reionization and ICE's Explorer, added their visual contributions, building a comprehensive mosaic. Looking ahead, 3I/Atlas will make its nearest approach to Earth around Friday, December 19, at a comfortable 170 million miles, roughly twice the Earth-Sun distance, before continuing its trek. NASA's array of observers will keep tabs on it as it passes Jupiter's orbit in spring 2026, potentially unveiling more secrets. For deeper dives into NASA's Comet 3I/Atlas observations, head over to https://go.nasa.gov/3I-Atlas. Now here's a thought to ponder. With evidence mounting that interstellar objects like 3I/Atlas might be more than just cosmic driftwood, some speculate they could even be technological artifacts from advanced civilizations. Are we on the cusp of rewriting our place in the universe? Or is this just sensationalism, and the comet's origins are purely natural? What do you think? Should NASA prioritize searching for signs of alien engineering in such visitors, or focus solely on scientific study? Does this discovery make you more excited about space exploration, or does it stir fears of the unknown? Drop your opinions in the comments. Let's spark a conversation about the wonders and controversies of our cosmic horizons.